If you would like to make a check or tick mark animation including sound effect in Capcut, I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, go to stickers and search for check mark. Using one of these free ones is already doing the job, but if you have the pro version, of course you have more options here. Just drag one of these into your timeline. I'm gonna reduce the length of this sticker because I don't need such a long check mark animation. Adjust the size, the position and everything needed to fit it into your project. Then select your sticker and go to animation on the top right corner here. You can just use bounce in and bounce out for in and out animations. But I like to use bounce in for the in animation, and for the out animation I love to use fade out. But fade out is not available by default right here in the sticker section. So we need to right click on our sticker, create a compound clip, and then we go back to the animation tab right here. And now we have more options for the out and in animations. So here we can select fade out. And as you can see here, we already created a great check or tick mark animation. If you also want to add a sound effect to your check mark animation, just go to audio right here, sound effects, and type in something like confirm. You can find any sound effects related to confirm right here. Choose the one you like the most, like this one, drag it into your timeline. I usually reduce the volume a little bit, and this is how it sounds completed. Thank you for watching and see you next time.